We are excited to be at Boxville this year. We are celebrating some of our favorite in-house partners, including Stovey Inc., including Little Squeeze, including By the Pound Cake Company, and many more, and a number of old friends who are visiting us for today, including House of Love. I've just had a wonderful lunch from House of Love, and of course we're enjoying the music, the sounds. We got both a DJ as well as Jemiah Rogers is about to come on at Boxville. It's a great day. The weather has blessed us, and we are just welcoming all of our friends, old friends and friends to be at Boxville at 51st and the Green Line.
Having a blast. I got a scavenger hunt. I'm hiding my car from all the cheaters out there. And we're having a blast. We're buying things. We're learning things via scavenger hunt, so I love it. Y'all come down.